Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got something a little bit different for you. I thought we'd have a look at what you can achieve with the least amount of money. So I was on the Works website, which is a sort of, in the UK, like a discount crafts and bookstore. And they had these items that were on 2 for £5 deal, and I love a bargain, so I thought we could have a look and see what sort of quality you get with a crystal drill kit and then this canvas, which we'll come to a little bit later. So it says here crystal creations, 1,000+ crystals, includes over 1,000 crystals, colour coded adhesive canvas in 21 by 16 centimeters, applicator stylus, silicone gum and tray in 12 vivid colours. And they only have one design, which is a wolf, so that's the one I got. So on the back we've got the instructions, and you can see that the recommended selling price is £7.99. Obviously I got this on a 2 for £5 mega deal. I did order this online because shops are closed, but I was placing a larger order, so postage was just a couple of pounds. Okay, that's everything out of the box. So we've got fairly basic kit, nothing unexpected. Let's open it up. Where's that opening? Yeah, so white pen with single placer. We've got a little white boat. This is the same sort of size as the small green boats that you classically get in the kits. A single square of the pink wax, and then we've got no, not a sticker, but just your legend, which gives you packet numbers and canvas symbols, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one is a 0. And then we've got A and B, so they're all fairly clear. Let's see how they come out on the canvas though. Right, okay, so this is our canvas. I'm hoping that we'll get a little bit more clarity once the drills are on there. If we look at the picture on the box, you can compare the two. You can see, I think there's a lot of the definition in the nose comes from the coloured drills that we'll place there, so that should help a lot. It is a poured glue partial canvas, so you're only going to drill the actual image of the wolf. The sort of sky behind is like a textured canvas, which is pre-painted, and this is, it's on like, if I can show you how thick this is, yeah, so it's a couple of millimeters thick, sturdy board, and has a framing, a stand element on the back, so you could literally do this and gift it straight away, which is nice, you know. So let's have a little look at these drills. So they are all rhinestones, I think. Oh no, not quite. So We've got no DMC, but I didn't expect to get DMC with this. So we've got number 1, which is just a standard black round drill. Number 2, the dark brown rhinestone. Number 3, a bit more of a coppery tone. That's going to go into the nose area, the bridge of the nose. All you can see there is the silver backs. Come on, show the colours. We've got a little pinch of more yellow ones. Golden. These ones are, they're not quite a clear rhinestone, more of like a sort of a pale grey. I wouldn't say that they were quite clear. It's like a reddish brown, those ones, very sparkly. Dark brown, and a slightly different dark brown. Yeah, so this one's more of a greyer brown, I suppose. Pale yellow, and then we've got quite a large, quite a selection of these. Oh, where am I going? There. So there's sort of a selection of colours in large faceted rounds. So we've got a blue, a yellow, a green. Seems to be 2 of each. There's a sort of a rainbow coloured one, and they appear to go in the eyes because they are the bee, and so I guess you can choose whatever you want to go in there, which is nice, and certainly I'll find a use for the spares. Yeah, I mean, the drills are not the highest quality, but they're not terrible, you know, and for £2.50, you know, no complaints, frankly. I just, you know, I hope that there'll maybe be more designs, because this is great as a gift, either to gift the kit or to do and to gift the item. It would also be a lovely thing to buy for somebody who's just beginning diamond art and diamond painting and wants to have a go at something quick and easy. Yeah, I think it could be nice. And most, you know, the sort of designs that I have previously seen in this sort of style kit, they've all been fairly inoffensive. Butterflies, you know, dragons, wolves, flowers, peacocks. It's, you know, there's going to be something for everybody. It was just a shame that on this occasion they only had the one design in stock, and it doesn't give you, this one doesn't give any indication of sort of other kits in the series, which is a bit of a shame. It is made by this is made by a company called Hinkler. There's their details on the back of the packet there. So it's Hinkler Books, published and distributed by Curious Universe UK Limited, and curiousuniverse.co.uk is their website, printed and manufactured in China. So yeah, be interesting. I might take a look at their website, and I'll pop a link to it in the description so you guys can have a look too. So that was the first thing, and then because it was on a 2 for £5 deal, yeah, rude not to, And because they didn't have any other Crystal Creations kits, I picked this up. I love all arts and crafts. This was something that I thought I might be able to use with my spare drills. My thinking was that I could use either glue dots or spray adhesive, something like tack it again and again, coat the areas of the canvas that I want to drill, and then just drill over the lines using whatever diamonds that I want. Maybe fill in some of the bits with paint. So it is a full canvas already, and it comes with a set of gel pens. I probably won't use the gel pens on this. Let's just get in here. Right, so yeah, so we get all neon colours, purple, yellow, green, blue, orange and pink in bright neons. And let's just grab a little bit of paper and we'll have a see what sort of quality pens this comes with. Obviously, I have to bring you down a little bit to see. It's a little scratchy, not hugely easy to see on that one, but then yeah, it's green. Oh, the purple's a lot better. So I can see myself using the purple, but not necessarily, as I say, not on this canvas necessarily. The blue. Orange. Oh, no, that's... Yeah, that. Again, very scratchy and lost its ink very quickly. Pink. That works well. And finally the yellow, which... Okay, not terrible. Obviously, you're never going to get bright yellow to show up on a camera particularly well, but yeah, that's so. Yeah, there's not bad. There is, in my opinion, no way that you could colour this canvas. Certainly not all of it using these pens. I will probably use a mixture of acrylics and then, as I say, spare drills to give some detail, and once it's done I will of course share it with you all. So that's all I have for you today, just a little short and sweet one. So we've got the 2 for £5 deal from the Works, which is the Crystal Creations Ulf, and the Colour Your Own Canvas with 6 gel pens from the Works in the UK. If anybody else has tried any Crystal Creations or has found any brilliant deals, do let me know down in the comments. Please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribing and become a member of the Crafty Coven. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.